freezer, snow left side, snow right side, need disassemble everything defrost, check bimetal sensor, timer right here, need check timer as well. Thermostat was changed, so that's it. Heater, need to replace this board because gas valve don't have 24 volts. It's this reason why everything doesn't work. Need just to replace this board. That's it. Dishwasher need clean air gap because water leak right here. Need clean air gap between disposal garbage and between air gap, and that's it. It's about dishwasher.